One day, I was sitting next to a close friend of mine, someone who recently started reading books on positivity and attending webinars and seminars on self growth. We were both silent, just sitting in peace, when he softly began singing in a sweet voice a song from Ashiki, like हर दर्द दिल का तुझे दिल से दुआ दे. But then he paused right before the second line. He stopped and changed it. Instead of saying, if you know the song, हर दर्द दिल का तुझे दिल से दुआ दे, खुशियां तुझे गम सारे मुझको खुदा दे, which is the obvious line of the song. Instead, he sung, हर दर्द दिल का तुझे दिल से दुआ दे, खुशियां तुझे और सारी तुझको खुदा दे. I asked, why did you stop? And why did you change the second line? You know what he said? He smiled and said that, why should I ask pain for myself? खुशियां तुझे गम सारे मुझको खुदा दे. मुझको गम क्यों दे? Even jokingly, I've started watching what I say, even in fun. So I don't want to say a single word that can bring a negativity in my mind. That's when I realized this is how people change. And that's exactly why I started hosting a 3 hours live webinar Power Move to shift the word we speak, the way we think, and the way we rise. So join me and let's build your next breakthrough together. Check the details and join me for your next Power Move.